Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are into this XAI airdrop that is going to drop in a few hours, make sure that you take these following processes unless you're going to lose your airdrop. And you have not started, guys, started right away. The link of this airdrop, I'll be posting it on my description and in the comment section. So I would like you guys to take the following correction. As you can see, the blockchain that is being required in this airdrop is ERC20. So all you need to do is to go to your Binance and make sure that you copy the exact ERC20. So when I actually went here, I noticed that Binance has their messages which notifies us about this airdrop. It says that do not define your Binance deposit address as the receiving address for this validator rewards. Validator rewards sent to this node to Binance address is not supported and will not be credited. This asset will be lost, which means that this Binance will be lost. Which means that this airdrop will be lost. So before I continue, I would like you guys to go straight and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and make sure that you join us on our Telegram group so that you won't miss any information that you are being released here. So why I told you guys that you are actually going to lose out on this airdrop if you do not perform this. As you can see, I have up to 800 token in my withdrawal history, and I still have up to 600 token to withdraw. So guys, I'm actually going to lose this asset if I do not participate in this. So what you're going to do is actually to create another new wallet. So when you create another new wallet, if you want to do that, all you need to do is to click down in the description in that new link that I sent to you guys. So when you do that, you are simply going to go to your Trust wallet right away, not to your Binance. So you're going to go to your Trust wallet and copy the Ethereum address in your Trust wallet and start your registration, guys. So I've already started my right away in this new address. So this is actually 50-50. In case Binance does not credit you direct to your Binance, it's going to credit you in your Trust wallet, guys. So as you can see, I've started my right away. So make sure that you take this following process. I'm going to share mine to my friends. Make sure that you share yours. Make sure that you start now before the time counts off. So guys, like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be getting different updates on different airdrops, different sites that actually pay.